Hi, my name is Jason, the parts manager here at Home Appliance Company in Massillon, Ohio. One of the obstacles we face at installation are appliances that don't fit through the doorways or in the areas provided to us. Today's focus is on what you will need to measure when looking at purchasing new laundry units. When I say laundry units, I'm referring to any machine that washes and dries your clothes. This includes top-load washers and their matching dryers, all-in-one units, stacked laundry centers, and front-load units on pedestals. When measuring the height you have available, make sure to measure from the floor to any structure above. This is important to know, so traditional washing machine lids will open completely or front-load units will fit underneath. Although every laundry unit has adjustable feet, they will only allow an inch or less of adjustment. Depth is a very important measurement to consider when buying a new laundry unit. Dryers traditionally are deeper than washing machines. That, coupled with the need for space in the rear of the unit for ventilation, can really impede on the space in your laundry room. Make sure to measure from the back wall to where you want the front of the unit to end. Don't forget to take into consideration a door that will swing left or right out into the common space. Manufacturers have different standard widths. Measure from wall to wall or from wall to other unit. If you are working with a builder or contractor, ask our sales team for the manufacturer's spec sheet. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to call on our sales team for help. I'd encourage you to stop in at our showroom at 406 Erie Street North in Massillon, Ohio, to browse over 300 plus appliances in stock, including kitchen appliances from GE, Monogram, Cafe, Sub-Zero, Wolf, Beko, and Frigidaire, and laundry brands like Speed Queen, Electrolux, GE, and Whirlpool. Continue to watch our social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more troubleshooting tips and tutorials to help you get the most out of your appliances. And if you have suggestions for other video ideas, please leave it in the comments section.